How's it going, everyone? My name is Jake with Trade Confident, and by popular request, we're going to be talking about exactly how we find winning trades both for ourselves and our members here at Trade Confident. You're familiar with the bullish trifecta. If you've been following us for a while, you can see this caused a pump. I'm going to talk to you about exactly why this happens and how we run through 40 coins every day to try and find the best possible trade setups. If you are new here, I want to let you know our traders have earned 294 straight wins and 0 losses in the last 28 months using this strategy. We actually have a brand new trade setup for you to check out, and the indicators that you are going to see in this video are on sale for $650 off until Tuesday, July 8th at 5 p.m. Pacific time. These are the indicators that this trader used to earn $4,300 in just a week. How this trader was up almost $9,000 with their account up over 39%. $2,100 in 3 days, $500, $5,200, $4,300. This person earned 16%, and it just keeps going on like this. This is going to be a crucial video for your trades, so stay tuned. Today, we're going to be trading on the 4-hour time frame using the TC top and bottom finder, price versus wall money flow, and trades in favor indicators. It really doesn't matter which coin. We're going to scroll through a bunch of them. And what I'm going to do right off the bat is actually hide the actual price charts. What you're going to see is a series of buy, sell, and strong sell signals along with our indicators. What I want to talk to you about first is the TC top and bottom finder. We're going to be looking at our entry here, so pay attention. When looking to enter a trade, we want to see a buy or a strong buy signal first and foremost. These typically indicate an ideal candle entry. Most often you are going to see price increases as they pump, and you're going to see this pretty consistently. A buy and strong buy signal here leads to a sell signal. This doesn't happen every time, but guys, buy or strong buy, very bullish. From there, if you see the price versus whale money flow low, this means that whales have oversold and are likely to buy back in again. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too. So if this green line increases, we can expect that the price is likely increasing too. Now, I'm keeping this hidden because I want to show you a blind test. I don't even remember right here what this price is actually looking like. Last, the trades in favor should be low when looking to enter a trade, and this means that downwards momentum has run out and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Ideally, a long trade zone reading is what we're looking for, but if it bottoms out with the other indicators, this could still be an easy win. So here's what we're going to do. We're going to take the vertical line tool. Right here, we see a bullish trifecta. We see price versus wall money flow low. Right here, we see trades in favor in the long trade zone, and we see a buy signal. Another one right here, let's say right here, buy signal, we see price versus wall money flow low, we see trades in favor low. Not as low as I typically like it to be, but it still is considered a bullish trifecta. Buy signal, price versus wall money flow low, trades in favor low. Right here, boom. It's in between a strong buy and a buy signal, and I'm sure you could tell the price actually dropped a little bit after this strong buy. That is a-okay. What I'm going to do here is actually post another line on the strong buy, and we can talk about what that looks like. Right here, buy signal, but price versus wall money flow is high, so this is not a bullish trifecta. This is not something I'd look to enter. Strong buy, price versus wall money flow low, trades in favor low, boom. Right here, buy signal, price versus wall money flow is kind of in the middle, but it still had plenty of room to move down. But trades in favor was low. Some traders might have taken this, so for fairness sake, we're going to mark this too. All right, let's reveal the chart and see what it says. Boom. So first off, buy signal, price versus wall money flow low, trades in favor low. And from that price, we are seeing a move up already of about 3%. Right here, buy signal, price versus wall money flow low, trades in favor low. An entry on this candle. little 1.48% move up. This is Bitcoin. We're not seeing huge moves. But if we go to this buy signal right here, boom, all the way up to the next top, 7.28%. Even if you entered on this strong buy signal, this is still a profit of 5.79%. Even if we got a little bit of a drop, this was a move up. Strong buy, we saw a move up of 3.81%. Not as much from this buy signal, but still a small profit of 1.84%. You see here, this is going to catch ideal candle entries, what is most likely going to be a fantastic entry. For those of you looking for an entry, and remember, we're going to go over multiple coins, so stay tuned, but I just want to talk to you about our risk management and exit strategies. When looking to enter a trade, we manage our risk with the TC top and bottom finder in these settings. This little icon here, click that, it's going to bring up this menu. We're going to click show take profit, show market order, show buy limit 1, show buy limit 2. For a coin like Bitcoin, 4% is often a good way to go just because it moves a little bit less than other coins. What you're going to see here is a series of lines on the right side. And let's hide drawings just to make things a little bit more clear. When looking to enter a trade, we split our investment into 3 equal parts, with the first part going into a market order, second part going to buy limit 1, and the third part going to buy limit 2. Once all buy orders are set up, we then set our take profit. All of this is using limit orders. Take profit is a limit sell. Buy limit 1 and buy limit 2 are using buy limit orders. Since you have a market order, you already have skin in the game, you got money ready to go. So if the price increases above the take profit, easy money and you can get ready for the next trade. But if the price crashes below buy limit 1 or even 2, this is actually a good thing. Once you hit buy limit 1, it's going to double the original investment that was in the market order. If you hit buy limit 2, it's going to triple your original investment. Absolutely insane, way more money in the market, and each buy limit is going to drop your break even. So on the rebound, you're going to come into profit much faster. In fact, I'm going to show you later an example of a trade that crushed 20% profit when most traders wouldn't have even seen a single cent and would still be in drawdown. Absolutely insane how well this works. So right here, so entry is a buy signal, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low to complete a bullish trifecta. Risk management is done using a series of buy limits, and our exit happens automatically using a sell limit. Let's take away this risk management now that we've talked about it, and let's look at some other coins. We're going to do another blind test. Just honestly, it's a lot of fun to do, and I think it really proves unbiasedly how effective this can be. Let's hide the price. Let's go to Ethereum. Check it out, guys. We have a series of buy signals. We got our price versus one money flow. We've got our trades in favor. Let's make some vertical lines. First up, right here, price versus one money. Buy signal, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low. Right here, buy signal, but trades in favor is high, price versus one money flow is high. So this is not an entry. Buy signal, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low. Let's make an entry right here. Buy and strong buy signal, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low. Easy call right here. Buy signal, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low. This is going to be an entry. Buy signal, but price versus one money flow and trades in favor are high, so this is not an entry. Strong buy, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low. This is a easy entry call. Let's take a look and see how we did. So buy signal, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low. This was an easy profit so far of 5.47%. Next up, right on candle close to the top, little 2.97% profit. Down here, this was a move up of 13.16%. Huge move up, guys. Strong buy, price versus one money flow low, trades in favor low. This was a move up of just 1.28%. But if you entered this trade, you saw some drawdown, but then waited 4.42%. Not an entry here. strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. This was an insane entry of 6.09%. All right, guys, I'm going to close my eyes here. Actually, wait, hold on. Let's hide this. You're going to have to trust me here, but I'm closing my eyes and I'm choosing a random coin. Let's go this one. Okay, ICP, that's a good coin. Let's take a look. We see buy signal, but price versus while money flow is high. Trades in favor is low. This could be a good entry, but I'm not going to call this one. We got a cluster of buy signals right here. Price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. Let's call an entry on the bottom right here. Buy signal, but price versus while money flow is high and trades in favor is high, not an entry. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. Let's call this as an entry. Back here, we got a buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. Let's call this as an entry. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. Easy call. Oh, actually, I'm sorry. This did not line up as I thought. This would not be an entry. Price versus while money flow is actually quite high. So let's move back here. Buy or strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. Easy call right about here. And you can see back here, these had price versus while money flow and trades in favor high. Let's take a look and see how we did. Buy or strong buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. This was an easy move up to its top of 13%. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, and trades in favor low. Interesting. Okay, so to be transparent here, guys, there are trades that will go into drawdown. But this is why we use the TC top and bottom finder risk management strategy. I guarantee this would have hit at least one buy limit and brought your break even much lower. And many traders are going to find the profit that they're looking for very soon if they hadn't already in previous moves up. Buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. It did see an initial drop, but then a move up of 2.5 or even 14%. Again, risk management could have actually made you even more money here. Buy or strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor is a little bit high, honestly, but it started out much lower. And from candle close here, this was a move up of 7.3%. One last time, let's hide these signals. There we go. I'm going to close my eyes, choose a random coin. Solana. This is going to be a good one, guys. Check this out. Buy signal. Price versus while money flow low. Trades in favor low. Easy entry call. Buy signal. Price versus while money flow low. Trades in favor low. Right here. Entry. Buy signal, but price versus while money flow and trades in favor is high. No entry. Buy signal. Price versus while money flow low. Trades in favor low. Strong buy, but price versus while money flow is relatively high. Buy signal, price versus while money flow is high. Buy or strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. This one is an entry. Let's go on the strong buy because this is what happened first and lines up closer with the trades in favor. Strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. This is an entry. Let's see how we did. All right. Strong buy, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. Saw a small bit of profit, not ideal, but it is still a 0.61% move up. And for those of you that actually ended up holding, you saw profit longer term of about 3.45%. Strong buy and buy signal, price versus while money flow low, trades in favor low. This was an easy move up of 9.46%. Right here, this entry was a move up of 12.73%. Right here, a move up of 15.15%. And so far, this move up on the 4-hour time frame has already seen a 4% increase. So I want to showcase these indicators aren't 100% perfect, but most of the time you are seeing trade wins right off the bat. And I want to let you know, we are literally scrolling through every single one of these coins on a daily basis to try and find ideal candle entries. And you're not going to find them every day. That's just the reality of it. What we like to do is actually set some alerts. I'll use Solana as an example, but on the alerts tab, what we're going to do is click create alert, Switch this to the trades in favor, watch for pump. Once per bar close, click create. Switch this to the TC top and bottom finder for your second signal. Keep it at a buy signal. Once per bar close, click create. Last alert, this is going to be the TC top and bottom finder again, and this time a strong buy, once per bar close, and click create. These 3 alerts will let you know for Solana on the 4-hour time frame if you've found an entry. Watch for pump means that downwards momentum has run out. We dropped into the long trade zone and we're likely to bounce to the upside. Buy or strong buy alert obviously calls for a buy or strong buy signal when it hits on your chart. With that in mind, guys, you can use this across any coin. Just about any coin in the crypto market. You can set it for any time frame, and it'll help you find ideal candle entries as they happen. If you don't want to catch these every single day, guys, we all lead busy lives. I know how it goes, so having these alerts is so helpful. So you see how effective this strategy is. Let's take a look at our trade setups page, and we're going to view our performance record, because what I want you to see is 78% of the time, based on our trade calls, these trades are winning without any risk management. From there, the remaining 22% of trades are winning using our risk management, and this has brought up our full 100% win rate. You're seeing trades ranging between 4 and 20% profit, with our most active, or our most recent trade called out today, actually looking for a 10% profit. Heading back to the trade setups page, we're going to jump down to a trade that used risk management because I want to showcase how effective it is. Here we are, guys. This is crazy. This was Dogecoin, called out on February 10th, and it hit its 20% take profit May 10th. A straight 3-month wait, but was it worth it? We saw buy or strong buy signal. We saw price versus one money flow low. We saw trades in favor low. Most often, this is going to be a great entry. We set our risk management. We set our exit. But what happened? The price ended up dropping significantly. We fell below buy limit 1. We dropped below buy limit 2. And now, any trader that took this trade 3 times their original investment. They tripled their original investment. And you're going to see the break even drop significantly. Break even is actually below buy limit 1, which means we were able to adjust our take profit 20% above the new break even. And traders that were not even close to in profit were left waiting. But our traders earned 20% profit before anybody else made profit at all. This is how effective our risk management strategy is, and this is why we use it in every single trade. Back at the top of the trade setups page, one last tool I want to let you know about is our morning brew overview. Every weekday morning, I personally am going through the TC top and bottom finder trade signals. I'm looking at every single one of our 40 coins. I'm looking for buy signals, strong buy signals, sell signals, and strong sell signals. Today, you're going to see Bitcoin Cash actually had a sell signal. Yesterday, Bitcoin, Atom, VeChain, IMX, and Aave all had sell signals. There are some days where none of them come out, but be sure to check out the top and worst performing coins and 2 crucial news articles every weekday. Let me find a buy signal right here. It happened somewhat recently. Here we go. We got on June 24th, a series of strong buy signals across a whole bunch of coins, and we actually saw a few of these coins create massive profit. If you see this, check your indicators to see if you have a bullish trifecta. If you haven't, may be a good time to wait. But if you have, guys, this may be an ideal time to enter. With that in mind, if you want to be able to trade this strategy all on your own, you saw how effective it was with a blind test. If you want these indicators for yourself, trading any coin you want, any asset you want, just about on any time frame you want, our indicators are on sale right now for $650 off. Guys, major sale for the July indicator sale. Pro pack is what we're looking for. Members are going to get a massive $250 off. If you're not a member yet, you're going to want to sign up because you get access to future forecast coaching videos, trade setups that we call out. If you don't want to make trades on your own, we can do it for you on the trade setups tab. Metrics across our 40 coins, morning brew overviews, and our monthly Inner Circle live Zoom hangouts. What you're going to do is head down into the description of the video you're watching right now. The second link is going to be the membership, and it's going to bring you to our sign up page where you can get 25% off your first month. It is less than $50 to get started. And if we head to the indicator tab down here, Pro Indicator Pack is what you're looking for. Members get $250 off for our sale. Non-members only get $50. Guys, it's worth it. You're saving over $200 right off the bat with a purchase of the membership. This is already a 5 times investment. Click the Pro Indicator Pack, click I want this, throw in that membership code, fill in your information, and all you have to do from here is click pay. Next, it's going to offer you the TC Top and Bottom Finder for $400 off for a full $650 discount. Go ahead and click add to cart, follow the prompts. We're so excited to trade with you soon. And with that, I just want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, trade safe, trade confident, and I'll see you in the membership and in the Trading View charts. Don't miss out.